Hey beta, as you know, from 26th of November, your third internal assessment is going to be start, and in that class, that test, you are chapter number 9, chapter number 12, and 13 are coming. Okay, for that, I am repeating, giving you a glance of the chapter so that you can understand the topic. Okay, or see that in that chapter number 9 was the understanding of quadrilateral. Okay, and in that chapter first comes that meaning of polygon. Okay, and what do you mean by the polygon? A closed figure. Polygon means beta a closed figure made up of finite line segment. A closed figure, any kind of closed figure made up of infinite number of line segments. Infinite number of line segments. Okay, from this small question can come. Suppose from two lines, not any closed figure can be made. You can see that it can be in this way. So in this way no closed figure can be made. At least from three lines you will get triangle for three lines. Okay, for four lines you can have a quadrilateral of any shape. Quadrilateral for 5 lines it will be pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nonagon, and 10 sides decagon. Okay, I am repeating them, and you can see the previous videos also along with this, so that in a short way I am repeating that, so that the things can be repeated in a better way. Then polygon are of beta two types. One is regular polygon. Okay, regular polygon, or second are irregular polygon. What do you mean by regular polygons beta? Regular polygons are those polygons in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Means those are equiangular. Equiangular means all the angles are equal, or all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So what can be the examples of regular polygons? Equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle is example of regular polygon. Then square is the example of regular polygon. Okay, then all the regular figure, regular hexagon, regular octagon, regular nonagon, and whatever are there. Okay, regular means already it is defined that whose all sides and all angles are equal. Irregular means those are not regular, they can be irregular, means which are not regular, those will be irregular. Okay, for example rectangle. In rectangle all angles are equal but all sides are not equal, that's why it will be an irregular polygon. Okay, then next example can be rhombus. In rhombus also, in rhombus all sides are equal but all angles are not equal, that's why it will be an example of irregular polygon. Maybe up to here it will be clear to you beta. Okay, then next things comes again. Quadrilateral polygons can be classified in two categories, regular and irregular, or in another way also they can be classified. Okay, polygon are of two type: convex polygon, convex and then concave. Okay, convex and concave. Well, what do you mean by the convex polygon? Where all diagonals are inside. If in a figure all diagonals are inside the figure, then it is known as the convex polygon, or every interior angle is less than 90. Okay, if you suppose you are making a rectangle, suppose if you will draw its diagonal means when you are joining the opposite vertices. Okay, in this way, so what you will get beta, all the diagonals, two diagonals are there in this figure, they are coming inside the figure. Okay, next thing you can see that in, for example, I have taken a rectangle. Okay, then you can see that all the angles are less than 180 degree, है ना? So every interior angle of the figure is less than 180 degree. That's why it is a convex polygon. So what do you mean by the concave polygon? Concave polygon means, beta, if you will join the figure, okay, in a figure, if you will have any at least one angle greater than 180 degree. If a figure you will have one angle greater than 180 degree, then it will be a concave polygon. You can see that, beta, if we are joining the opposite vertex, it becomes diagonal. Okay, if I will join this, it will become diagonal, and you see that this diagonal is coming out of the figure because this is our actual figure. Okay, so you see that this angle is greater than 180 degree, so it is a concave polygon. Okay, further you can go through the details of the notes also I have given to you. Okay, so maybe everybody of you are clear in concave and convex polygon. Okay, so what we have learned till now, that polygons, types of polygons, regular polygon, irregular polygon, convex polygon, concave polygon. Okay, then angle sum property means, beta, next things come, that angle sum property. Angle sum property means what will be the sum of the interior angles of any figure. Okay, as you know that in triangle, in sum of the interior angles is always equal to 180 degree. In quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angles equal to 360 degree. So how we will get in any polygon, how we can understand that what will be the sum of the interior angle? For the quadrilateral and triangle, you know, and you are learning it from the very beginning of the classes. I am going to tell you that how you will understand that what will be the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon. I am making one pentagon here. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, you know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I am dividing it into triangles. You can see that, beta. Okay, so how many triangles I am getting here? See that it is one triangle is A, B, C. Okay, another triangle is, this is also a triangle. If I will join this here, A, C, D, है ना? 3 triangles I am getting. One is ABC in pentagon. In pentagon, I am getting how many triangles, beta? 3 triangles. ABC plus sum of the angles of ACD. Okay, plus AD, ABCDE, ADE. Okay, these are 3 triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle ACD, triangle A. What will be sum of this? 180. Its sum of the angles will be 180 or plus 180. What it will be, beta? 540 degree. So in this way you can find the sum of angles of 6 sides. Okay, by dividing it into triangles. Okay, I have explained this this to you in previous class also. Okay, so what will be the formula for that, beta? Sum of angles of a polygon. You can see that 540 we got. Okay, how many triangles? 5 sides were there. In pentagon, 5 sides were there. In how many triangles it has divided? In 3 triangles it has divided. In 5 sides. So it means from how we can get the formula, how we can generate a formula for this. Okay, for formula for sum of angles of polygon is equal to what it will be, beta? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, n minus 2 means, beta, n means number of sides. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. How many triangles we got here? 3. So 3 into 180. Same thing I have done here, na? Same thing I have done here. Okay, 3 triangles, it is divided. So if I will divide it into 3 into 180, then also I will get the same thing. So in this way, one generalized formula, we have generated for this. 3 into 180 is equal to number of sum of the angles of any polygon. Okay, suppose for which for hexagon I have to generate hexagon. What is the formula? Sum of the angles of hexagon. Sum of angles of hexagon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Hexa means how many sides? 6. So 6 minus 2 into 180 beta. So what it will be beta? 4 into 180. 720. So in this way, for pentagon, hexagon, octagon, octagon, any figure, if suppose it comes in your exam, you can do that. Okay. Then next things beta, diagonals of a polygon. I already explained you. If we are joining the opposite, okay, opposite vertices of any figure, then it is known as the diagonals of a polygon. Okay. For that also we are generating one formula. You know that in quadrilateral, suppose I have made one quadrilateral. How many diagonals it will have? 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals. Okay. If I will make a pentagon, okay, one pentagon suppose I am making. So how many diagonals it will have? I am just going to find it. Opposite vertex if we will join. 1, 2, okay, then 3, and this has 4, okay, and one more diagonals beta here, from here to here, that is 5. How many diagonals I got? 5 diagonals. Okay, in pentagon how many diagonals I got beta? 5 diagonals. Okay, so what will be the formula for the number of diagonals? Number of diagonals in a polygon. Polygon means having many sides. Polygon. Okay, because the children having all the, they are always confused in these things. That's why I am repeating them. Polygon is equal to. So what will it will be beta? N minus 3 upon 2. Suppose now I would like to find the number of diagonal in pentagon. N means number of sides. How many sides the pentagon having? 5. 5 minus 3 upon 2. Beta 5. 5 minus 3 beta 2. 2 upon 2. How many diagonal pentagon will have? 5 diagonals. So practically also we have find. Now see that quadrilateral. I would like to find quadrilateral means 4 sides. So 4 into 4 minus 3 upon 2. So 4 into 4 minus 3, 1 upon 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Okay. Suppose in hexagon we have to find the number of diagonal. Hexagon. So what it will be beta? Hexa means 6 sides. Okay. So 6 minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So 6 into 3 upon 2. 2 3 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 9 diagonals. So in this way, in exam it can be asked for pentagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay. Now come to the next thing, that sum of the exterior angle of a polygon. Okay. So sum of the exterior angle of a polygon beta, it will be, now see that beta, sum of the exterior angle of a polygon. Okay, exterior angles means beta, if I will find the exterior angle, you know that sum of the exterior angle of a triangle is also equal to how much? 360 degree. How it comes? See that, suppose for a means equilateral triangle I am finding. Okay, it is equilateral, all angle will be 60 degree beta. Okay, if I will extend this line segment, but it will, next angle by the linear property it will be 120. Here also it will be beta 120. Okay, and this angle also will be equal to 120. So what it will be? Some exterior angle 120, 120 and 120. So 120 into 3. How much it will be beta? 360. Okay, so sum of the exterior angle of a triangle will be equal to beta how much? 360 degree. In quadrilateral also it will be equal to 360 degree. How? Just try to understand. Suppose it is a Quadrilateral means suppose it is a square or rectangle, any figure you can take. All the interior angles are of 90 degree. So outer angle will also be by linear property, it will be 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. So it will also be 90 degree. No, see that this one is 90 interior, because interior is 90. Now add them. 90 into 4, it will also be 360 degree. Okay, so in hexagon also it will be 360 degree. So in this way the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is always beta 360 degree. Okay, the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always how much? 360 degree. Okay, now just keep this in your mind. If in a regular polygon of n side all the interior angles are equal, regular polygon beta, regular polygon means, if regular figure means, just keep in your mind, regular figure means a figure in which all the angles, all the interior angles are equal. Just now in previous page also I have explained that regular means equiangular and all sides are equal. Okay, here I have written the definition of regular figure. Okay, so if in a regular polygon of n side means we don't know how many side are, all interior angles are equal. If interior are equal beta, then exterior will also be equal. You have seen in the case of rectangle here कि अगर अंदर के एंगल बराबर हैं तो बाहर के एंगल भी क्या होंगे? बराबर होंगे. तो how we will find exterior angle? Exterior angle of polygon is equal to beta 360 divided by number of sides. Okay, so whatever, if suppose I would like to find the exterior angle of hexagon, regular hexagon. Regular means equal sides. How many sides hexagon having? 6 sides. So what will be its exterior angle? See that it will be 360 divided by number of sides 6. 6 6 ja 36. What it will be? Exterior angle will be equal to beta, then 360. It will be 360. Sorry, 60 degree. Because 360 divided by 6, it will be of 60 degree. Okay, so in this way you can find the exterior angle. And one more thing, for any figure you have seen that we are applying the linear pair property. Here I have applied the linear pair property, 90, or here also it will be 90. So it means exterior angle plus interior angle will be equal to beta how much? 180 degree. Exterior angle plus interior angle will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so if you have given, suppose exterior angle is of 60 degree, so what will be interior angle? 60 plus interior is equal to 180 degree. So interior angle will be 180 minus 60, it will be 120. So in this way you can find them. Okay, if one thing is given to you, another thing you can find them. Okay, sum of all the exterior angles in convex polygon. Okay, in a convex polygon of n side, what will be? Sum of exterior angle is equal to, in convex polygon, sum of all exterior, all these things already I have given you in the written form also. All exterior angle is equal to 4 into 90 degree. It will be beta 360 degree. Okay, and sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles. In case of convex polygon we are saying interior angles. What will be the formula for that beta? N minus 2 into 180 degree. So keep all these formulas with you in your mind, then you will not have any problem in this chapter. Okay, suppose we are going to do one question from your textbook. Just see that. Now suppose beta we are coming to your question now, and see that what is the question. Okay, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of how many sides? 6 sides. For 6 sides I have explained. Okay, now for 5 sides. Suddenly I am taking any question. Okay, I am not going through that. Don't think that it will come in your exam or not. In this way I am going. Okay, just now you have understood the formula that exterior angle is equal to, question number 5 I am taking. Okay, 5 C part. Exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides, whatever sides are given in the polygon. For C part I am doing, it will be 360. How many? 12 sides are there, so 12 3 is 36, 0. What will be exterior angle? 30 degree. So in this way you can find that. Okay, one part. Find the measure of, it is 5 part. In this way 5 parts. Rest of the question you will do in this pattern. Okay, how many diagonals are there in the following polygon? Question number first I am taking. How many diagonals are there in following polygon? Number of diagonal you have to find in octagon. Suppose octagon. Okay, what is the formula for number of diagonals? Number of diagonals is equal to n minus 3 divided by 2. Octagon means beta, octagon means 8 sides. Octagon means beta 8 sides. Okay, so see that number of diagonal 8 minus 3 divided by 2. So 8 into 5 divided by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 5 4 ja 20 diagonals will be there. So these are the small questions. Okay, for further you can go through the videos, that video also with you. Okay, in which I have discussed each and every question. Here I am just giving a brief of the chapter only. Okay, I am just, because it is not possible to discuss the chapter once again, because already it is there, so you can go through the classroom also. Okay, see that one more question I am taking. Now see that beta, question number 3rd. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular. How to find the interior angle of a hexagon I taught you. I am just taking polygon of 10 side. Okay, so see that means decagon. Polygon of 10 side means decagon. For decagon we have to find. Okay, interior angle we have to find. So what we will do beta, question number 3rd, see that now. Okay, n is equal to beta 10. What you have to find? Interior angle. You have to find interior angle. Okay, so interior angle. Exterior angle formula is exterior angle is equal to beta 360 divided by number of sides. Number of sides. So 360 divided how many sides? 10 sides we have given. So exterior angle we will get, exterior angle is equal to 36 degree. Okay, now you have to find interior. Formula is that interior plus exterior is equal to always how much? 180 degree. Okay, so exterior angle you got 36 degree. So 36 plus interior plus 36 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so interior is equal to beta, interior angle is equal to 180 minus 36. Okay, so what will be its answer beta? It will be equal to 144 degree. So in this way you will find the rest of the questions of the question number 3. So I have discussed the question, those can be important for you, not it is not necessary that these questions are going to come in your exam only suddenly I am choosing the correct questions. Okay, you just go through the previous video also so that you can understand the topic in a better way. Okay beta, in PDF file I have done one part, it was missing in question number 3, that I have only find the exterior angle in that question. Interior angle I have just now I have seen, so I have not find interior angle. So how you will find interior angle in that part? Interior plus exterior sum should be equal to 180 degree. So you can just subtract whatever answer is coming from 180 degree, then that will be your correct answer. So just go through the old videos also from the classroom, okay, and revise your chapter completely, then only you can prepare your chapter for your upcoming exam. Then thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you beta.